Imagine a future city self-driving cars, smart homes, robots everywhere. It all starts with this tiny thing, an AI chip, smaller than your fingernail. This chip holds billions of transistors. It thinks like a human brain, transforming our future. Today, TechBit explores how AI chips work and why they matter from self-driving cars to space. Let's dive in. So, what's an AI chip? Unlike CPUs or GPUs, it's optimized for artificial intelligence, with units mimicking the human brain. This is an artificial neural network. Each node acts like a neuron, each connection a signal, processing information like our brain. Unlike CPUs or GPUs, AI chips process in parallel, far faster. A CPU works alone. An AI chip is a team of experts. To understand how AI chips do this, we need to look deeper where billions of transistors operate together. This is the physical layer. Billions of transistors on a silicon wafer. Each transistor is a tiny switch, turning on or off to process data. Next is the neural network. Nodes and connections mimic neurons and signals, handling data through millions of nodes at once. For example, you send a cat image. The AI chip analyzes color, shape, texture, then concludes this is a cat. This process takes just milliseconds. AI chips process in parallel, much faster, thanks to their optimized design for artificial intelligence. AI chips have specialized layers, logic controls, memory stores, and NPUs handle AI, all working together for peak performance. But speed isn't everything. AI chips save energy. CPUs need 100 watts, GPUs 70 watts, AI chips only 20 watts. To stay efficient, AI chips use advanced cooling microchannels with liquid coolant ensure stability in any condition. Here's a real example. Self-driving cars, AI chips, process terabytes of camera and sensor data hourly, yet save energy significantly. AI chips detect signs, pedestrians, obstacles in real time, letting self-driving cars navigate safely without intervention. Thanks to AI chips, self-driving cars save battery, driving 500 km per charge, far beyond 300 km with a traditional CPU. The secret is in the design. AI chips process in parallel, minimizing energy waste, optimized for AI tasks like detection and prediction. Beyond cars, AI chips are in healthcare, analyzing MRI images, detecting cancer early with unmatched accuracy. In manufacturing, AI chips control autonomous robots, boosting productivity, cutting errors, making factories more efficient than ever. In space, AI chips help Mars rovers navigate autonomously, analyzing rock samples without constant Earth communication. This is the future smart cities, where AI chips optimize traffic, energy, healthcare, creating a more efficient life. But a question arises, can we control AI as it grows smarter? It's a challenge we must consider. AI chips unlock the future from self-driving cars, healthcare, to space exploration. Their power is truly undeniable. What do you think about AI chips? How will they shape the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Want to explore more tech? Hit subscribe and the bell icon to never miss a new video from TechBit. Check out these videos, Self-Driving Revolution and AI in Healthcare. Click the thumbnails to keep exploring tech. Thanks for watching. TechBit will keep bringing tech discoveries. See you in the next video. TechBit, where we explore technology and shape the future. Don't forget to like if you found this video helpful.